Samsung's foldable phones are out of the way, meaning all eyes are turning to the next big thing, the Galaxy S26 series. But if you're expecting just the usual Galaxy S26, the S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra, well, think again. According to fresh findings from the One UI 8 firmware, Samsung might be planning a pretty dramatic shakeup for its 2026 flagship lineup. Let's rewind for a sec. Earlier, rumors hinted that Samsung could kill off the Plus model entirely, with the Edge model taking its place. That would leave us with a Galaxy S26, an S26 Edge, and the usual S26 Ultra. We were even given corresponding codenames NP1, NP2, and NP3 respectively, indicating all three devices. Well, according to newly discovered codenames deep within an internal One UI 8 build, that might not be the case. The firmware uncovered by Android Authority referenced three devices, M1, M2, and M3 corresponding to the Galaxy S26 Pro, the S26 Edge, and the S26 Ultra. Yep, you heard that right, there might not even be a regular Galaxy S26 model next year. For reference, the S24 lineup used the codename Eureka, with E1, E2, and E3 mapping to the base, Plus, and Ultra variant. The S25 series is codenamed Paradigm, with PA1, PA2, and PA3 doing the same. The number 1 always referenced the base model, but if M1 is pointing to the S26 Pro, then where's the entry-level version? They couldn't find another codename that would suggest a fourth model even exists in the build. So what does this all mean? Well, if this rebranding holds, Samsung may be repositioning the entire Galaxy S26 series to lean more premium. This would mean that the Pro becomes the new base model, the Plus gets replaced with a sleeker Edge variant with Ultra camera specs, and the Ultra continues to sit at the top. It's no doubt a bold strategy, and I can already smell a price hike. After all, calling your base model Pro all of a sudden sets a whole new expectation. Now, of course, this is all based on internal firmware and specifications, as plans can still change before launch. Anyway, what do you think about this potential shakeup? Would you be on board with a Pro, Edge, and Ultra trio? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for daily Samsung news and update, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.